Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing a video on this 613 Mayvenn hair. And as you see in the title, it says second thoughts on Mayvenn. So let me just give you a little backstory if you do not know anything about my past history with Mayvenn. So I used to be a seller with them. I was a seller with them, which is fine. Actually, like I said before, you make good money with them and all that other stuff. They have good customer service, blah, 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 but it was the hair that I had a problem with. So this is my second thoughts. This is my second chance, giving second chances to Mayvenn. And the only reason why I said this is happening, because if it wasn't for this, I probably wouldn't even be doing this. So recently, Mayvenn saw that video I did in 2016, 2017. If you want to go check it out, you can. It doesn't matter. You can definitely do that. And it's very popular, and I still get comments on that video to today, this day. I don't remember when I did. I think I did it in 2017. But anyways, yeah, so they seen that video and they wanted to fix the issue. So they said, we want to fix the issue. We don't want you to think we have bad hair, da 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 da, because I really didn't like the hair. I was experiencing terrible things with them shedding, tangling, shedding literally like a dog. And I was talking about that in my video. The hair was tangling so bad that one time it turned into dreads. So this is my second time with them, because they recently contacted me saying that they wanted to fix the problem, and they refunded me my money in the cart, gave me a store credit, and they said just do whatever you want, and if you could please make a video on it. So I said okay, I'll do that, and it's free hair anyways. It's really not free hair. I already paid for this hair, but it's free hair because I paid for it a whole year ago. And I low-key needed some hair because I'm about to go on a trip with my friends, and I was like, I really want to get some hair, but I couldn't afford to get it going on this trip, paying for this hotel, on all this other stuff. So this is just a blessing. Big ups, big homie. It's a blessing that I got this hair in this time. So what do I say? So they contacted me, like I said, wanted me to make another review. So right now, let me tell you how I feel about this hair right now. They didn't pay me, so if outgoing on them, this is just like a thing where they're like, just make another video, da, da, da. They just said that. They didn't pay me. I'll still cut their asses up. I don't care. But right now, I'll say this. This 613 hair is, I've only had this 613 and some more 613 I got from another vendor, Lisa on AliExpress. They're also very popular, and I wanted to make a video on them, but I just haven't done it yet. But if you guys really want it, then I can tell you the pros and cons of that hair versus this hair, because this hair, although Mayvenn is affordable, it's still, the 613 hair can teeter-totter between affordable and a little expensive depending on where your pockets are. And then Lisa is like perfect price, not expensive. So it just depends. But I can definitely, like I said, if you want me to do a pros and cons video, or you want me to just review their hair in general and tell you how I feel about it, just let me know. If you want it, if you want it. So with this hair, I can say right now I like it. That's actually why I'm making the video, because if I didn't like this hair, I would have not made a video. So that's the reason why I'm actually putting this video out right now, is because I kind of really do like this hair right now. So I like the fullness of it, but it's not overbearingly thick. Like sometimes you just don't want like thick bundles, and you just want a nice full look without it being ridiculously thick looking. So right now this hair is it just falls good for that nice natural look. It's still long. It's not natural, and when I mean natural, I don't mean like, oh, it looks like it's growing out of my scalp. It's a wig. It's obvious. It's blonde. It's crap and stuff. So yeah. But it's more of that natural density versus like some hair is just too full. So I'm doing like, why I gotta stop saying like Imani, please, ew, stop that now. I'm doing this video to just show you guys the hair, because I'm pretty sure somebody's like, well, I want to get some 613 hair and I don't know where to start, da 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 da. But yeah, I can say compared to the Yolisa hair, I do like this more because it's not as thick as that hair was. That hair was more thick. And this hair gets thick too when it's wet. And it definitely does expand when it's wet. But after you blow dry and press it back out, it goes back to the same density it was when you first pulled it out the box, ran your fingers through it and all that. Alright, sorry guys, the video cut off mid. Literally, it just cut off. I didn't have enough storage on my camera. So it cut off mid in the way of me talking, so I gotta remember where I was at. It looked like I was talking about how it came out the boxing and the packaging. I really just didn't want to do an unboxing video. I just think they're boring. I just wanted to do an initial review with the hair like this more than so pulling out the boxing, the packaging. The packaging, the boxing, I mean the packaging is cute. It just comes in satin little baggies. You pull it out so the hair is not being thrown all over the place. It's cute. It's really cute. I just didn't want to do that. So, I didn't. So here we are right now. The hair, like I'm going to say again, the density on the frontal is good. It's really good. I didn't pluck the frontal yet. I didn't do anything to it because it's not so thick. Like, it's a good natural density that I just didn't feel like I need to pluck it. I didn't feel like I needed to do anything to it. I just thought that it would be fine to leave it like this because the density on this frontal is actually very nice. So I'm just leaving this alone. The hair is not that thick, it's not that full, but it's still thick and covers, and you can't see through your weave, which is, I don't want to see through it, but I just kind of like this fullness. It's a nice density on the hair, and I like that. The shedding is here, but it's not here. It hasn't shed as much. It's like the most excessive shedding I had is when I was actually making the unit. So I was giving it, you know how you're just like, all right, I know that I'm making the unit and it's going to shed. So that's where the most shedding came in. And then detangling it and styling it, that also was shedding. But as far as now that it's done, styled, all that, has it really been shedding? No. So I'm just gonna keep you updated. Like I said, I'm not telling y'all to run out right now and get on your feet, hook foot, and buy this. I'm just saying right now, I've only had it in for a week. Right now, it's okay. It's okay. Okay? In this moment. You feel me? So, don't quote me. I said right now. But since I'm going on a trip, I'm going to take the hair with me, and I'll also come back and I will update you. It will be an update in like a month or two. It will be an update. I will actually update the hair. Usually I don't because I never really have to, but since I had problems with them before, I just want to update you guys and keep you informed some months later, because a lot of people just have an issue on their 613. They don't like it. It just seems like you can get good 613 or you can get crappy ass 613, or you have to spend an arm and a leg for 613 for it not to be shitty. So I just want to say right now, this hair is really good. So if it's really good and it's actually 613 hair, then, and you won't have to go to these really big vendors, because some of these big vendors, it's really ridiculous on buying one damn bundle that's not even 10 inches. Like, I don't know where y'all looked besides like AliExpress, like past AliExpress at other vendors, and it was like, oh, one bundle 10 inches, 120, 105. And I'd be like, for one? So right now, this hair is fine. It's still teeter-totter on the expensive side, especially with the frontal, but it's still not as expensive as the other companies that will probably provide you the same quality. So right now, I'm just going to say right now, it's cool. Right now, it's cool. I ain't mad at it right now. But I'm going to update you because I've had problems with them in the past, and I know people also have problems with them too. So I'm going to update you. They said that they updated their products. They said that they changed their products because they have a lot of people complaining about their hair. So that's why they wanted to change and update their issues that they were having. So right now, I like the hair right now. Okay? I will still cut their ass up though. But so the hair, beautiful, full, all of that. I went all over that. Okay, so now let's talk about the coloring. I did receive this hair in the 613. Originally, I colored this hair and I did a shadow rooting. You might not be able to see. You might think this is all one shade, but it's really not. I did a shadow rooting and it was 1/8 of an inch, which is literally like retouch status. It's like basically when you need to just, you got a little bit of regrowth. You might not go for it right then and there because it's not that much. That's how much shadow rooting I did. So I said it's like 1/8 of an inch. And I also did T11 Wella Charm Toner or whatever. So I did them, and I mixed my rooting color was Clairol medium ash brown. So and it was a level 5, and I knew that was gonna be a little dark, so I did a little bit of mixture between the toner and the color so it can tone the color, and it made it more of a shadow rooting. So you can see that it's 3 seconds of darker at the rooting and then light as hell right here. So right in this area it's dark, but right here it just fades back to light. But that's what I wanted. I got inspiration off of Kim Kardashian's blonde wigs. I freaking love Kim Kardashian's blonde wigs. Those things are fire. Like, Tokyo is killing it, or whoever the hell is doing it is killing it when they do Kim Kardashian's blonde wigs. Shitting, honey, shitting. If you have not gotten to her wigs, her blonde wig, she has 2. She has one that's like mine. I picked this color because I saw her color, and I saw another black girl with this color, the champagne blonde, as I'll call it, and it was just so popping. So she has this one, and then she has another one where they probably, I would say it's more the lines of T18, where it's more of a silver ashy blonde. I didn't want to be ashy. I like the champagne color. I thought it would complement my skin more, so I went with the champagne. I love this hair color. It's so nice. It really is. Like, it's so nice. But I'll put a clip in how I got it originally, because when I made the wig I didn't color it. I colored the hair after I made the wig because I couldn't figure out what I wanted to do. I was probably gonna make it blue. I was thinking about dipping the ends and making those blue. I just don't know, but I'm glad I decided just to keep it blonde for a while. Just, if I decide to do something different, then fine, but right now it's just gonna stay blonde. And I just also feel like it's the best choice so I can show you guys, you know, how it looked. Don't judge me on this clip. I look a mess. I look ashy. That blonde color does not look good on my skin. That yellow blonde is yucky on my skin, so I couldn't have kept it like that. But don't judge me. I'm gonna put that clip up there. So that's how it comes originally, but yeah, this is how it is now after the toner. It's so, I love this. I love this color. I love this color. I love this color. But yeah, so let's just get into the clips real quick of me coloring this hair, and then we'll just go to the outro. Right here, guys, I'm just showing you that I was scraping off some of the color. You do not want to load that brush with a lot of product since you are going close to the lace with a darker color. This color didn't really stain the lace really badly, but it did leave a little tinge, which is okay if you're a little dark skin or have like a darker color to your skin. But since I didn't want to tone it too much or change the lace too much, because remember the lace is actually white, scrape off some of that product, go lightly with it, and that's all I was showing you. Scrape every time. I scraped every time. Okay, guys, I continued to do this for a while till I finished the whole frontal, and then I went in and I did a little bit of the back so it can blend seamlessly with the frontal. And this is how your roots should look. You see, it's just a little bit of a retouch, just a little bit. Just showing you, I got up in there and got close. Just a little bit, not too much. So right here, I'm applying the toner. I am definitely mushing it in with the hair color. I am using it with the hair color. I'm infusing it with the hair color, the ash brown, and I'm using it all over the ends and the roots and all of that. But I'm going in and blending it in with the color as well. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Thumbs it up if you like the hair, if you like the color. I really like the hair and the color, so I'm gonna thumb my own damn ass up because this is my shit right now. So I gotta buy another wig. I'm actually buying another wig. I made this wig. It's a frontal wig. I made this. I'm a hairstylist anyways. I make all the damn wigs. But I want to buy another wig. So I'm going to buy a wig. It's either going to be from RPG Show or Wow African. Either or. Like, if y'all want me to buy one from either one of them, or y'all want both, then let me know. But I'm going to do either or I'm going to just do both because I just want to do, you know, test out some wigs and see. I just want to see some stuff because I'm exploring stuff. And eventually I'm going to be my own businesswoman who has her own business and hair extension line. So I'm exploring on purpose. So that's what my channel is for, is to see trials and errors and to explore that. Yeah, that's what my channel is for. So if y'all want to see an RPG show or y'all want to see a Wow African, because Wow African is a little bit more expensive, is a less expensive than RPG show, but they have really good ass wigs on there. So if you want to see both, let me know. Let me know because I'm about to buy one anyway. Just y'all can let me know which one y'all want to see the most. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to say that in here again. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. I'm about to do another try-on haul for you guys. So if you want to see how I style my clothes and all of that, I'm about to become very good and persistent on my Instagram. Okay, my Instagram is trash, but I'm about to become persistent as hell on my Instagram. It's about to be very clean footage and videos and clean aesthetics on my Instagram. I just wanted to look a little bit better. Gotta brand myself, okay? It's a little trash, okay? So I'm gonna clean it up. But if you want to see how I style some of these pieces, because I just buy things when I try it on a try on haul, I do not put it in a set, I do not put it in a style, I just put it the hell on. So if you want to see how I style certain things, and since I'm going on a trip and I have so many damn clothes, going out clothes, walking around Atlanta clothes, I got clothes. So if you want to see those, how I style those pieces, then just follow me on my social media. I'll put it right here and it'll also be down there. Just do whatever you need to do if you want to seize it. But I will be doing another try on haul very soon, probably at the end of July before I leave, because I leave in August, the first week of August. So I will be doing the try on haul before I leave, or maybe after, who really cares? So once again, what I'm gonna say, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, please. Thumbs up this video. Come back, check out more of my other content. I have more try on hauls already, a lookbook or two, not really that many. I just do try on hauls now. And yeah, and more hair videos. I have shown people how to color, do blue, how to make a nice blue color at home, how to do ash blonde highlights. I've done a couple coloring videos, hair reviews, natural styles. My real hair has been out on this channel. It's not long, whatever. So yeah guys, just check out my content. Spirit fingers. But peace.